So friends of Timsauti, we're so much grateful and thankful for keeping it Timsauti. We're so much appreciative to all of you who are subscribing to our channel. We are now in 2020 and it's another moment for us to keep on reflecting and looking into things that are affecting us as my youths, as old people, as business people in all spectra of life. And now today I'm joined by youngsters who indeed have future at hand and who have the world at hand, who can pocket the globe. And so we want to talk into different and various topics that are affecting youths. We'll be talking into education, into relationships, into business, into drugs, into crime. And so kindly we want to welcome you and to invite you to be part of this cast.
My name is Tabitha Biggie, and a graduate from Moi University, currently a trainer at a technical institute, and I'm glad to be at Timsauti.
Good, Tabitha. So Tabitha, kuna hii kasumba ya kwamba wanafunzi wengi moso watu wakienda kole, wakienda university and most all ladies wanaenda kuko kushikana na sponsors ama kuingia katika other issues that derail, rather they put them stray from what took them to the university, and we end up getting issues and stories about wanafunzi wameuliwa and things like that. What can you tell, rather what can you advise our young sisters, rather youngsters who are in campus, about education in university and keeping your lifestyle right in campus?
Okay, thank you for that question. From the experience I have got from the little time I have been at Moi University, I have seen that university students, especially at first year, when they join the campus, they are grown-up people, they are intellectuals, and they are able to choose between the right things and the wrong things. So, as an individual, you should be able to know what is the right thing that you should do, and what is the wrong thing that can influence your life to the negative part. So, the main thing is what you choose to do. So as a young person, as an intellectual that is aspiring to go to greater heights, I think university students, especially girls or ladies, you need to make the right decision and focus on your education. If at all you are pursuing a certain degree, you should be able to do that which has taken you to campus alongside other things that are positively influencing you to your career. So to the young ladies in universities, kindly make your choices right and do that which is influencing your life positively.
Thank you, Tabitha. Maybe one quick question. What do you think madem wengi wanashikana na masponsor, then we end up getting stories kama zile tunapataga?
I think the main reason is just what I've said is choice. Because everyone is in need of an extra thing. Even if you have money from your parents, everyone also need an extra item. But if you choose to live within your own means or within your own standards, you'll be able to live out of the life of sponsors and do that which is right.
Right. Thank you, Abra.
Concerning that topic,
Yes.
I have something to add.
Yes.
We need to talk to parents, because I have a friend who happens to be a lady.
Yeah.
She told me when she went to campus, the parent assumed like she has all what she needs because she's a grown-up. The parent even stopped paying fees and stopped taking care of her. You know, ladies have too many things to care about. And when the parent dropped all her responsibilities, the lady had no any other option than to find someone who can be able to keep up on terms of her fees, on terms of her upkeep, and make her live a modern life. So I think even parents should take part in making sure that the kids, when they go to campus, they have that perfect life. The way they take care of them at home, the same way they should take care of them when they go to campus.
Do you mean help is not enough by any chance?
Help can never be enough, because if you just take a small calculation, like let's say you have gone through CUSPs or JAB, per academic year you should pay around 30,000. If you take 30,000 and then you're given a HEB loan of about 30,000, you still have a deficit of the amount of money you need to rent a house, because mostly in campus the houses are not enough, and then you still have a deficit of, you need upkeep, you need food, you need you need to enjoy life. It's still campus.
Yeah.
And you need to meet friends, mingle, you still need fare, and all those basic needs. So help can never be enough.
Okay. So friends, Abraham is a trainer at TTI. Yeah, you could tell us which TTI if you so wish. He's a trainer, of course, of TTI. He's also a graduate from Maseno University. And he will tell us, most people, most students in high school, hawajui ni course gani wataenda kufanya. Hawajui how to choose the courses that they're supposed to sit in for in the colleges and institutions. Utawaambiaje, tutajuaje which course to take?
Okay, the biggest place where most students happen to make a mistake, it's because most people take advices from people who are not professionals. Just someone, nobody can ever tell you your course is wrong, even if it's wrong. And then the other thing about when people get out from Form 4, they are very green and they don't know what is right. If you just walk around, just sample 10 kids, ask them, what do you want to become when you grow up? They'll just tell you very big things, but if you look at their capabilities, they cannot match.
Okay.
And then the other thing is, when you're selecting a course, you should know your strong points. Are you strong in sciences? Are you strong in humanities? Take something within your field. The other thing is, I would urge you to consult a specialist on which course is right, considering your grades, your backgrounds, and all that.
Good. So in short, to say that when you're choosing your courses, choose course yenye itakusell out there, si ndio?
Yes.
Yenye uko na interest in, choose course then uiache because you're not interested in again to work in that field.
Yes.
And also course yenye iko na future, right?
Yes.
Dibora, najua in your experience, rather in whichever experience that you have, mayouth wengi pia wanaingia kwa relationships blindly. Hawajui wanaingia kwa relationship aje, kufanya nini, when is the right time for me kuingia kwa relationship, who is the right person kuingia kwa relationship with, when do I get into a relationship with. Hebu tuambie, advice my youth tafadhali.
Okay, I'm Deborah. You can't get into a relationship without knowing the person first. So inafaa take time. Ukijua mtu immediately, jipeni time like 1 year, 2 years hivyo. Ujue ita end up in dating ama marriage. Yeah.
Sasa, how do I know that this relationship ina end up kwa marriage ama ita break too?
Ukisoma mtu unaweza kuwa kuna after something maybe. So ukisha notice that it's good to end the relationship first. Yeah.
Nitapaswa kukaa na yeye for how long ndio nijue this was the right person for me ama acha niachane na yeye?
From like 6 months or a year.
Great. That's to say that wakati unaingia kwa relationship usiamke tu ukikimbilia mtu umepatana, maybe he is tall, dark and handsome, na useme kwamba he is the guy whom I've been dreaming for. So chunguza vizuri, fanya calculation. Kuna mtu anaanza kuongeza kitu on that field wakati kuingia kwa relationship.
When you are going in a relationship, I think you should look for qualities which match the criteria that you have. Like you should find someone who complements your weaknesses, and you should find someone who is not extremist in your weaknesses, and someone who you are really compatible with. I think that is something we should work on. Yes.
Right. Fantastic. Our sister Agnes.